What thought I'd be doing was like stepping out of my comfort zone, of course. Taking that risk and searching a job, hunting a job in completely a different industry. That takes a lot of guts and um, lot of patience from you. So that was something. That was one decision I took. Was really bold for me, and it was life changing, and I never thought I'd do that, but I did that, and yes, completely it was stepping out of my comfort zone moment for me. So yeah, yes, I lost people, and I believe people come into our lives for a reason, and their chapters in our story ends when it needs to end. And I believe people will come and go. Everything is temporary, nothing is permanent. Only love and memories remain. So that's what I believe. My dream collab for YouTube that I want to achieve in my life is collabing with Alia Bhatt because I love her vlogs, and collabing with Farah Khan. I love the way she is running her YouTube channel. So these are the two things I would love to collab. And that is there's one more thing, like those are videos, there is a specific channel which tastes like what's expensive, what's cheap. So I want to take part in that as well. And I would like to collab with Pink Villa as well. They do a lot, many different experiences, experiments, like what's in my bag, cheap, expensive, home tours. So yeah, that would be something that I want to collab with. What keeps me going when I feel like giving up was I remind myself my journey, and I remind myself where I am today. So it was not at all easy to be where I am today. So that's what I keep reminding myself, and there's no chance and no hope to give up on something like this. Of course, we get those kinds of thoughts, but it should not lead us to something that will, eventually be like, okay, now give up. So nothing like that exists. All you have to do is keep going and keep reminding yourself. Create a stage in your life that where you feel like, okay, now I want more than this, so that you'll never feel giving up. Something that I thought was a failure, but it turns out to be a blessing for me was, all my failures, rejection, setbacks, and these are the things that led me to something better, and eventually it clears path for me. And they said when two or if the door is closed, then second door will be eventually opened for you. So I see the rejection and failure as an opportunity that will knock your door for something bigger. So yeah, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.